Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am working on my Stampin' Dreams blog hop. It is a Christmas card, and of course I have just finished creating 30 Christmas card swaps, plus before that 24 Christmas card swaps, of which all of those were Beautiful Blizzard. So I thought the design that I used, I have one here as an example, is this one. So I thought it would be fun to minimalize this into more of a clean and simple design and show you how I would do that. I'm also going to change the colors. This is done in all blueberry bushel, and I'm going to use balmy blue and night of navy, so that even though it's minimalized, it has some colors to dress it up. I will be using the big splotch, kind of a cloud, I believe is what it's supposed to be, the snowflakes, and the season's greetings. I'm going to do my best to make it a single layer card with maybe some embellishments, very simple embellishments. I need one more. Okay, so I am going to start out with balmy blue on the big cloud. This is a distinctive stamp, so I can see it, but I don't know if I can get it in the right light. It actually has different pixelization all over the stamp for lights and darks. So let's just see how the goal is to have the image in the bottom left corner. So see, there's the different variations in it. I will then put the season's greetings. Oops. I have learned to keep my lids on. Oh, another trick. So if I haven't already said, I labeled the white part of my spots so that when things do get astray, like the lids separate from the base, I now have the name, because these dark colors, they all look the same. And I've had my browns mixed up, my blues mixed up, the greens mixed up, and it's a big surprise when you try a certain green and it ends up a different green. Alright, so that's the base of the card, and now we get to add some fun accents, which in my case is going to be mainly these snowflakes. I love to run images off the page. It gives it a more natural look. That's why I did that bottom corner like I did. So, in the spirit of clean and simple, I have already created a double mat. And this is my completed card. I can step it up by adding rhinestones. I did put aside some baker's twine in a knot, or in a bow here, that I can add. So baker's twine, as an example, could be added. They're very simple to make it stepped up, but I just wanted to show, for today's purposes, how quick and easy. I mean, literally, how long was that? I'm looking on my phone, and it is 2 minutes and 50 seconds. And for somebody who wants something simple, I did not show you actually adhering these two layers together. That's probably the only amount of time that I didn't, as well as getting out the stamps, putting them on the blocks, and digging out my 2 inks. But I think that card all by itself looks beautiful and is perfect for the beginning stamper. Thanks for watching.